How to turn off voice assistant on Android. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open settings on your phone. Click on search button at the top right corner of your screen. Then search for TalkBack. Click on TalkBack, which is the second option. In here, click on TalkBack again and turn it off. In here, which is use TalkBack, mine is already turned off. This is one of the voice assistant on Android. Another voice assistant is go back to settings, click on Google, click on all services, which is on the right side. In all services, click on search assistant and voice. Click on Google Assistant. Then click on voice match at the top. Click on Hey Google and turn it off. This is how to turn off voice assistant on Android. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.